discuss about what is the central tendency and how we use those series to find mean, median and mode. Let us start. So last class we have discussed individual series. Individual series is also called ungrouped data. Individual series is also called ungrouped data or series. And then your discrete and continuous is called grouped data. Means individual series, we are writing the data individually as it is, how we are collected. So that is called ungrouped data. In discrete and continuous, we make a grouped one. We group the data to reduce the individual series. So let us start today our central tendency. So what is central tendency? Central tendency is also known as the central value. So the central value we can say as mean, median and mode. So central value is called the one value that represents the series of values. एक वैल्यू, एक नंबर जो पूरा सीरीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, सीरीज में जितना भी नंबर है उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, दैट वैल्यू वी कैन से इट इज ए सेंट्रल वैल्यू. एंड सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी मीन्स सेंट्रल वैल्यू इज थ्री टाइप्स: मीन, मीडियन, मोड. So first we'll discuss about mean. Mean is again three types of mean. One is your arithmetic mean, then geometric mean, then harmonic mean. Median is also known as partition value. We divide the whole series and we find the middle value. Actually, partition value is that this median value divides the series into two parts. So that's why median is also called a partition value. Then is your mode. These three types of central value we will discuss one by one. First we will discuss about mean, then median and mode. And we will take the help of all our series, individual, discrete and continuous series, how we find mean using those series form. Okay, let us start arithmetic mean first. So arithmetic mean is the average. जो हम लोग बचपन में पढ़े थे 5th क्लास 6th क्लास में, एवरेज क्या होता है? arithmetic mean is nothing but our average. जो हम लोग पूरा कैलकुलेशन करते थे, सबको समेशन लेते थे एंड डिवाइडेड बाय द नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन करते थे, दैट इज कॉल्ड द arithmetic mean. And arithmetic mean, that is average. Arithmetic mean is represented by x bar equal to sigma of x divided by n. Here I have, this is a capital X and this we have represented small x. So x bar is mean. Small x is the observations. A is number of observations. We'll take one example and we'll explain it. Suppose I am writing some numbers like this: 4, 7, 8, 15, 18, 20. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 observations are there. So what is the mean? Mean is x bar. We can say this is an individual series because I am writing individual numbers. So x bar equal to, it is sum of observations. This sigma represents the sum of observations. So here we are writing 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, if we will make the total sum of these numbers, then it is 72 divided by 6, which is equal to 12. So this is nothing but our mean. Means this 12 represents this series. 12 represents this series. Another one example we can take. Suppose I am taking 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. How many observations are there? 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 observations I have taken. What is the mean? Mean equal to sigma of x, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 25. That I am writing it sigma of x by n, which is equal to 25 divided by number of observations is 5, which is equal to 5. So like this, if we take any number that is a repeated number, then if you divide it number by number of observations, you will get the same number. Because what we are finding here, we are finding the mean. मीन्स एक ही वैल्यू है, ये पूरा सीरीज को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. अगर पूरे सीरीज में ही सेम नंबर है तो we'll get that number only, the same number only. Okay, let's move to how. We'll take one example and we'll find the mean for individual series. So to find mean, methods are there. What are those methods? First method is direct method. Second method is shortcut method. Third method is step deviation method. Fourth method is shortest method. These are the four methods we use normally to find the mean. So, first we will discuss about direct method. The direct method is that what we have already discussed. Direct method is x bar equal to sigma of x divided by n. So, this is the direct method. What is the shortcut method? In shortcut method, we assume one value out of the series, that is our assumed mean. As we don't know about the mean value, we'll assume according to our choice one value, that is called assumed mean method. Also this shortcut method is also called assumed mean method. So the formula for shortcut method, x bar equal to a plus sigma of d divided by n. So what is a? A equal to assumed mean. Assumed mean means this assumed value, this value we assume from the series. This a is your assumed mean. What is d? Sigma of d equal to sum of the deviations from the assumed mean. So what is d? D we have to write, erase this one. So I am writing d. D is equal to the deviation of item or observations from the assumed mean. Means deviation of the observations from the assumed mean, that we can write as x minus a. A is our assumed mean, x is our observations. So what is the deviation? We are writing as d. So the formula for this one, x bar equal to a plus sigma of d divided by n. The third method is step deviation method. In that case, we can write step deviation method, x bar equal to a plus sigma of d dash divided by n plus sigma of d dash divided by n into c. C is nothing but the common factor. When we discuss this type of mean, this formula will apply. I will tell you in detail. The fourth method is our shortest method, and the formula for shortest method is x bar equal to x minus I f1 minus 1. So just write down the formula. When we will go to this method, we will discuss in detail. So first method is direct method. So for that I am taking one example and we will explain one by one those methods. The first one, I am writing the question. This is the example 1. Suppose this is the mark secured by the students, and this is the roll number of the students. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the marks say 40, 50, 30, 60, then 70. So first we will apply the direct method for this. To apply direct method, what is our direct method? Direct method tells x bar equal to sigma of x divided by n. So what do we need to find? Sigma of x. What is x? X is our mass. N is the number of observation. Total observation, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total observation is 5. So n equal to, here I can write n equal to 5. This is our observation. So summation of the observation we can find like 40 plus 50 plus 30 plus 60 plus 70, which is equal to sigma of x equal to 250. Okay. So how we can find x bar? X bar equal to 250 divided by 5, which is equal to 50. So this is our mean. We can say this is the arithmetic mean. This is our direct method. So what about the shortcut method? So in shortcut method, the formula for shortcut method x bar equal to a plus sigma of d divided by n. What is a? A is our assumed mean. Assumed mean. What is d? D is our deviation from the observations. Deviation of the observations. What is n? N is our number of observations. So how we can do it here? So we have to draw another column here. First we need to find out the d. D equal to, d is our deviation. D is nothing but d equal to x minus a. So here what will do? D equal to x minus a. What is a? A is our assumed mean. Means we have to assume one value here. So we can write the value. Suppose this is my assumed mean. I have assumed this value here. So how I can write the deviation? Deviation is, first deviation I can write here. First deviation is 40 minus 30 is 10. Because my x is 40, my assumed mean is 30. So how I can write 40 minus 30 equal to 10. Like that I can write here for 50 minus 30 is 20. So here 30 minus 30 is 0. 60 minus 30 is 30 I can write here. So 70 minus 30 is 40 here. Okay. So here we need to find sigma of d. So sigma of d equal to 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 30 is 60 plus 40 is 100. Okay. So we know our assumed mean. We know the sigma of d. We know n. Now we can put it in the formula. So what we can do here? I can write here x bar equal to, my assumed mean is 30 plus sigma of d. Sigma of d is 100 here divided by my number of observation. Number of observation is this 5 here. So what I can write? 30 plus this is 20, which is equal to 50. So in this case, for direct method, we got our mean 50. in shortcut method also we got our mean as 50. So we can check our answer like this. If in the exam they asked you for the shortcut method, then you can go for applying shortcut method and you can check your answer is correct or not by applying direct method. So in this class we have discussed about direct method and shortcut method. Next class we will discuss about step division method and shortest method. So how we can apply a step division method and shortest method to the same question we will take and we will discuss in the next class. Hope you will understand this video. This video is helpful for all of you. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.